Welcome viewers. Do you want to learn how to make an Animoji presentation? Stick around, I will teach you.
First go to worky.com, then you have to simply sign up. After the sign up, click to present and select create a new. And then you are in the presentation slide. As you can see, there are some tools here to customize your slide. In the menu you can find basic options like copy and paste or add a slide or delete a slide. The magic will happen when you click to the face right up there. Here you can find there are lots and lots of characters and you can customize your 2D or 3D characters whatever you want. We'll go with this hashtag one. Then click to speaker icon and type your speech, or you can simply record it from your microphone. And after you're done with that, you can change the voice.
Welcome viewers. Do you want to learn how to make an Animoji presentation? Stick around, I will teach you.
And once you are done with that, click to save and you can align wherever you want. And click to T to add your text. Double click to the text to customize your text whatever you want. Once you are done with that, you can align wherever you want. You can also add your image. Simply you can press an URL to add the image, or you can upload it from your device, and you can add videos, shapes, etc. And by clicking to this one, you can align and you can add your background image. You can upload an image from your device, or you can simply select one of the images that are available in this worky.com. And you can also add a border to your presentation slide. Once you are done with that, click to the preview icon right down there.
Welcome viewers. Do you want to learn how to make an Animoji presentation? Stick around, I will teach you.
Once you are satisfied with your presentation, click to save and name your presentation, and after that you can share your presentation with everyone.